Welcome to a brand new video. Today I am doing calligraphy of some lovely subscribers' names. Recently, I have started a series on my shorts video which is doing my subscribers' names calligraphy. On those videos, many of my lovely subscribers have requested me to do their name calligraphy also. I could not wait to write their names. Because my supportive, beloved subscribers are my first priority and I can't wait to fulfill their requests. If I upload shorts video, it will take a lot of time to upload all videos. So I have uploaded this long video. Hope you will appreciate my decision. Am I being so talkative?
Yes.
Anyway, finally let's turn into the video. The first name is almost done. Today I will show you calligraphy in different font styles and colors. Now let's start the second one. Third name. And here is the fourth one. Number 6. Here is the seventh name. Number 8. Here is the 8th number. Number 9. Number 10. And last but not the least here is the 11th one. If you are satisfied with my work and enjoyed watching the video, then please let me know in the comment section. And if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. That's all for today. See you soon with another brand new video. Bye!